Installing a new toilet is an easy way to update the look and functionality of your bathroom. Whether you're taking on a complete remodel or just replacing the toilet, there are a few important factors to consider. First, you'll need to know the rough-in distance for the space where it'll be installed. The most common rough-in is 12 inches. Toilets come in a few sizes and configurations. A round bowl takes up less space, while elongated toilet bowls provide a longer seat for extra comfort. One-piece toilets have the tank and bowl integrated, while two-piece toilets have a separate tank and bowl. Wall-mounted toilets are a less common option, but provide extra space and easy cleaning. While most toilets have gravity flush systems, there are other system options available, like pressure-assisted, low-flow, and dual-flush toilets. You can also consider special upgrades, like bidet, soft close, heated, and antimicrobial seats. Look for a toilet that complements your interior design, including decor styles from traditional to contemporary. For more great tips on choosing the perfect toilet, check out our buying guides and visit build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project.